Oh man, it's like I don't even know how to introduce this. This is crazy right here. Brand new music for my man Lil Wayne. It's called Hot Revolver.
She's saying, do you have the time?
2027 type ish right here.
She asking who's on the other line.
Remember when you heard it first?
You diss me every time.
DJ Big.
Let's go.
Baby, I'm a star. Shit, I'm a pop star. And now I done got so high, different forgotten who you are.
Hood, Richard.
I don't think y'all ready, man. I don't think y'all understand the magnitude of this song, man. Brand new Lil Wayne.
DJ Big.
Hot Revolver. Hurricane and T DJ Spins. Let's go.
Do you have the time to listen to me whine? She asking who's on the other line. You just tell her, baby, I'm a star. Shit, I'm a pop star. And now I done got so high, they forgotten who you are.
Rhythm and swag.
Hop back in my spaceship, girl, I gotta drop your ass off. Last night, yeah, we was making love, but girl, I gotta take off. Like I'ma be here next week, so call your company and take off. I told her I can be with her, but I can't be with her as much as she like me to. She like me too much, that's the problem. Oh my God, and sure to be wildin'. And when I say I got to leave, you wouldn't believe all of the things that she'll do and all the things that she'll say to make me stay. And I be like, damn.
Hood,
Richard. I'll be back someday. She wanna go